We are going to try to align a satellite dish by frequency. Let's say that we want to align our dish to Astra 19.2 degrees east. In this case, we will choose tuning by frequency, and we will control the dish by DiSEqC and move it in the direction we think Astra is located. So we will switch on DiSEqC mode, Drive Rotor. We will move by seconds and starting to move the dish west. Once one satellite spectral content pops up, we will tune by frequency one of their transponders and check the message that appears in the lower part of the screen after the meter locks to the signal. As you can see, this is Astra 28.2 degrees east, so we need to keep moving the dish west.
Please note how the spectrum is changing as we are moving the dish west. We are moving the cursor to lock to a transponder and find out its satellite name.
You can see that this new satellite popping up is 23.5 degrees east, so we keep moving west.
The spectrum trace keeps changing as we keep moving the dish.
And finally, we found 19.2 degrees east, Astra. Once we confirm that this is our satellite of interest, we can move ahead and do some fine-tuning in the alignment of the antenna to maximize the signal power received from that satellite. Now it's the time to move the dish in steps.
Moving the dish by seconds makes the dish rotate in big steps, while moving it by steps makes it rotate in smaller steps, which is more suitable to maximize the transponder's received power level.
We will check the power level for the channel tuned until we get to the point that its power level is not increasing anymore. And that's it. Hope you found this helpful.